Okay, another option is radio controllers. I have this Godox controller. There's all kinds of controllers that you can have. But anyway, this one, you can attach it to your flash. This is the Godox. I don't know what it is. Anyway, I just radio controller, and you just attach it to your flash. Turn your flash on, and when you do that, your flash has to be on manual. That's the only way you guys that you can set it. And on the bottom here, there's a channel and the group, so you can actually as many as you have these things, you can set up flashes. But we're going to use only one flash. So we have channel 1 and group A. So we'll leave it at that. It says 0, 1, yeah, okay. So anyway, and then you have the trigger, or you could use another one like this, but I have a trigger here. This one goes on the camera too as well. And I don't know how come it turned off. Anyway, this is also a Godox, and you flip it, you put it on the camera where the hot shoe is, and you're ready to go. Let me take it off. If you look here, it also it has all your channels on the side that you can select. And I got channel A right here. I got channel A, and it's on, not channel A, group A, and channel 1 on the top there, group A. And I got it set. I got it set on manual, and you do the settings in there. Pretty it's easy, it's intuitive when you do it. But anyway, I'm not going to attach it to the camera, but you can kind of test fire here. But it'll send a radio signal over to this one, which will fire your flash. So anyway, that works. Simple. And this costs about 50 bucks, and I don't know what this costs, but it's pretty inexpensive as well. So that's the another option for setting up off-camera flashes. Okay, the last option that you can set up for off-camera flash, and well, this is the right cord, but it looks like this. But anyway, you can get a cord like this, and one side of the cord goes hooks up to the flash. Hooks up to the flash like this, and the other side hooks up to the hot shoe on your camera. And you know, you can kind of like hold it off to the side and stuff, but the only drawback to that is that you're limited to how long your cord is. You can't go, you know, probably 3-4 feet is the longest that you can stretch it out before, and then if you move around, you can pull it over and damage your flash or whatever. If you only, this just cost me like about 20 bucks or so, I guess. And that's the last option that I know of. But anyway, I can't find mine. It's something I haven't used it for years, but it looks just like this. Goes into your camera, one end, and the other end goes into the hot shoe. This is for my battery, but it's not for off-camera use. Anyway, that's about it as far as the equipment goes. Okay, I'm gonna quickly talk about placement of your off-camera flash. This is gonna be really simple, and then I'll put up some examples of I guess the proper way to do it. But anyway, basically I'm gonna have the first picture that I'm gonna put up is a picture of me. I didn't spend much time doing it. I just wanted some quick examples. but it's a picture of me with an on-camera flash, and you'll notice that the lighting is just direct straight at me, and it's a flat lighting. And then the second picture that I'm going to put up is the camera, I'm sorry, the flash is remotely placed about 45 degrees from me. And the last picture, the third one, is the flash being placed at a 90-degree angle from me, exact off to my right hand side. So you can kind of tell, it's not a really good example, but you can kind of tell the difference that it makes when you place lights in different places. So check that out, and I'll talk about it later, but just place your lights at different areas and experiment with it and see what, which one you like the best. And different moods, it conveys a different message if depending where you put the lights on and the intensity of it. Also, I didn't go into reflectors and natural light from the windows, because otherwise my 5-minute video would be like an hour. But you can also help out your one flash with light coming in from the window, and just place your subject or yourself in front of the window where you have natural light coming in, and all the dark areas that you want to light up, you can enhance that area with a reflector or your off-camera flash at a lower power. So anyway, check out the pictures, and we'll see. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna attach several slides of the 4 essential patterns and portrait lighting setups as to using a single light source. It's kind of advanced. I mean, if you don't know this, it might be a little bit intimidating, but basically this is what you're striving for, I guess. You can look at it on this video, and I'll also make it available so you can kind of like go through it leisurely at your own pace. But it's just kind of like a guideline. But like I said, the best thing you can do right now is to experiment. If you don't understand all of this right now, just experiment with it and put your lights. Don't use your on camera flash, but set it off to the side at an angle, about 45 degrees, and experiment with it. Go 45 degrees, do it like 90 degrees on the side, do it a little bit in the back, a little bit more forward towards the camera, maybe even a little backlighting. Just hide it behind the subject that you're shooting, and see what kind of effects you get. That's how I learn. I can read about it all day long, but I won't understand it until I make my own mistakes or make my own discoveries. So I'm putting this here just to help you along to see what's going on. But basically, just go out there and just set up your lights and fire away. If you don't like something, keep that as a good bad example and move the lights around until you get what you like. So anyway, I put a little music with the slides. I hope it doesn't disturb you while you're trying to read it. But anyway, check it out and see what you think. If you can use it, good. If not, well, maybe you'll find it interesting later on. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.